All right, one of the things that we're focusing on in this unit is the fact that eukaryotes, so plants and animals, fungi are also included in this, multicellular organisms um, have multiple cells, and therefore different cells can take on a specialized role. Okay, so we're going to take a look at several different specialized cells that are built differently, structured differently, and to perform certain functions. Okay, so let's take a look at this reading. This is in your workbook on page 51. Feel free to follow along and take notes and annotate. Examining specialized cells. In multicellular organisms, cells are specialized to perform various roles within the organism. Therefore, a particular kind of cell may contain large numbers of certain cell structures, or organelles, that allow the cell type to perform its specialized role. Meanwhile, this kind of cell may completely lack other organelles that are not needed for its role. Examine the cells below and use the table to record your thoughts about how these cells may be different than the one you modeled. Okay, so the ones that we modeled probably looked very round if they're animal cells, round with your typical nucleus and lysosome and mitochondria, etc. These are all animal cells, technically, right? But from left to right here, we have muscle cells. These look very different, don't they? From what we saw earlier in other lessons. These are neurons. Another word for neuron is brain cell. How they're kind of spindly like this. They've got all these connections that they make from the brain to the muscles and to other muscles. Okay, this in here, this is still the DNA. It still has a nucleus, but the cell body is very kind of star-like almost. Okay, and then you have the red blood cells. These are also cells. They have a membrane and cytoplasm, but these are shaped in a very unique way to let them move through blood vessels like arteries and veins and even capillaries. Capillaries are the thinnest veins and arteries to get oxygen all the way around our body. Okay, so the activity they have you doing here is to look at the cell type, so muscle cells as you saw up here. What kind of differences in cell structure are present? And then why might these differences support their function, right? Why are they shaped like this? And how is that linked to the work that they do, the function that they serve? Okay, how about neurons? What kind of unique features do they have? And why would that help them serve as brain cells? Okay, do the work of brain cells. And the same thing for the red blood cells. Okay, why are they shaped in a unique way? What kind of features make them different? And why would this help them do their work? Okay, so this is a good exercise to just get us thinking about form and how it's related to function. Okay, this is a main theme in biology, and it comes up here.